Okay. Okay na.
Okay na?
Okay na.
Welcome everybody.
Okay, okay.
We will make some coffee.
Okay.
Coffee.
Yes, coffee.
How to make
So
coffee?
you mix this also. You put
I will mix.
the coffee.
I will mix this also. Also? Oh yeah.
Dragon seed.
Another flavor. New blend.
You blend.
First step. We will open the sachet. Second, then
Put
you
hot
fry.
water.
Be sure that the hot water is hot. To test that it is hot, you will put your
Finger.
Ow!
yes, it is hot already.
Open the.
Open the sachet of the coffee. Then,
Next step.
you put the coffee
Into.
in the cup.
Don't know how to open the sachet, ha? Then,
Afterwards,
Ano yan? Dalawang sachet? Isang cup?
no.
yeah, siya. Pagka nag-coffee siya, dalawang sachet. Ano mo?
Coffee.
Yan, dalawang sachet nga.
Then, you will put some sugar. Is this the sugar?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Then, how about this? I'm gonna put this.
Wait a minute. One. Sabon pa.
Uy, grabe ka.
Golden Thompson.
Tamis mo, Bok.
So anyhow, tablespoon
Yeah.
of sugar
Si Eden na lang magtimpla ng kanya.
for you to have diabetes. Good for you. It is good
for
for
your
your
health.
health.
Money for us.
So that your lifespan
It's short.
will be shorter. Then the next step, if you want to put some coffee mate, you will put this. But for me,
Ang liit mo talaga to, pe.
oh come on, you're disturbing our show.
Ay, nagbe-video ba? Oh,
Oo.
yan. Nandito po kami sa...
Coffee na to eh.
She is just our audience.
Ay, kaya pala nag-English.
Mm.
Afterwards, I will give you my autograph.
Okay.
Pan lang pala to, pan.
No.
Ano? She is my stalker. Nice one.
Kala ko ano lang.
Ano, nahalo mo na yung dragon seed?
Yes, I already done it.
No?
Wanna see?
Is that yours? Copy?
Yes, I did. See? This is the new blend of coffee. Miss
Dragon
Cafe
seed.
con dragon seed.
Coffee con dragon seed.
Hey you, do you want some coffee also?
Ayoko.
Oh, you don't like
Don't like?
coffee?
I will kick you.
Sige. Huwag mo lalagyan ng dragon seed, ha?
Don't put dragon seed.
And then, we will put some coffee.
Coffee mate lang.
Wala no coffee. Without no coffee.
Without coffee.
Do you have banana?
No, we haven't had any bananas here. But you look like the ones who eat the banana.
Solo ko to.
Hey, Mr. Cameraman, are you tired?
No.
Don't put too much sugar.
Ang swerte naman ng stalker.
It's hard to open it. You can't open the sachet.
Use the knife.
Bite.
Parental guidance.
May magnifying glass yan sa Okay. Look at the nose. Look at the close up. Look at the nose. Look the how about the mouth. Mouth.
Jakas ah.
What's wrong? Do I look funny? No.
Baka kung ano ginagawa mo na sa kape ko, boy, ah.
Parang dati na nilagyan yung lango ba na lamok ko? For Eden,
Lamok yun, lamok.
because he is only 10 years old, I put all the just a
Little bit
drop of
sugar.
coffee.
Little bit coffee.
And full of sugar.
No. Full of sugar.
Huwag yung sabihin bubuhos mo lahat.
For him to have diabetes, because diabetes is important to shorten your life. Because I want you to die.
Balo to, balo ah.
That's enough.
No.
O yung ano, yung may inom ko ah. Hindi ka tulad ng templa mo ah.
Double. 5 asukal.
5?
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay. Taste it.
Smell the aroma.
Lemon coffee.
You.
Mainit. Saglit ah. Ubus ko eh. Hawakan natin.
Here's your spoon.
Kapihan na.
You want coffee, mate?